How to make a paper frog. You need a sheet of paper or a green sheet of paper, optional green crayons. You can color your sheet of paper. Only one side will be visible. Now, fold your sheet of paper in half. It's still a rectangle. Fold the short side on the long side and cut the part that is left. The two sides are exactly the same. Open your sheet of paper. You have got a square, a double square. Fold the diagonals. Transform one square into a triangle. Transform the other square into a triangle. Now your origami looks like a diamond. Fold two corners, up and then down. Repeat 4 times, up and down. Now you can see the 4 legs or paws. Turn over the frog, make it slim. And now make it shorter. Insert the corners into the slots. Your frog is beautiful, but it can't jump. Fold its bottom down and up. Press it. Now your frog can jump. You can make many frogs and compete with your family or friends on different grounds. Have fun! Bye-bye!